What's going on, y'all? This is Johnny Bobby's Junk Calling, about to do a eviction clean out. As you know, as always, you can reach us at 757-563-4834. Our website is joalf.com. That's JOALF.com. Well, anyway, unfortunate, these folks had to get put out, but somebody else is losing money, I guess. But anyway, this is the surprise we got today. All the carpet got to come up. So we're gonna make sure all the carpet get up. We're also gonna pick up all this debris, all this good stuff that's in here, and we're gonna make sure it's all good to go. There's a lot more stuff in this house than normal, regular evictions, because people try to take their stuff with them, believe it or not. But I guess these folks said, screw it. So we're gonna clean all this stuff out. Stove gotta go. This stuff out here has to go. All this stuff got to go. They left me a good barbecue pit. Boy, I told y'all in this good man's junk removal, you just waited to come your way. So if I need a little Smoky Joe, there it go right there. Got a little excited, my bad. But anyway, make one more round through here. So we're gonna take all the blinds down, all the carpet up. I said that already. We're gonna take all the carpet off the stairs. Wow, these folks are dirty. Good Lord, these carpet ain't been cleaned in 20 years. It's all right, that's why it's getting replaced. Anyway, man, they got a smoke pit. The boys got a smoke pit right here in the room. That is ridiculous. Just throw the cigarettes on the floor. Don't even put them in the ashtray. We don't need no ashtray. Don't worry about it. It's cool. Anyway, we're gonna get this stuff out of here. Grab this stuff up. Get behind the door. Get all that. See what's going on in this good folks' bathroom. Take them shower curtains down. Take all that little stuff out of there. We don't take hazmat, folks. We don't take hazmat. Let me adjust my little camera while I'm in the mirror. We don't. I just sat on my damn cowboy hat, y'all. What's really going on? But either way it go, here we go. Next thing we got, wow. What they in here welding? What's going on here? Man, got an oxygen bottle. I'm about to say, boy, it look like they're in here doing some welding. What's this, another smoke pit? Where there's some Black and Milds, rolling some good doobies. I don't know, whatever. We'll get it out of here. Take all this good stuff out of here, as we can see. And what else is in here? Computer, carpet. Oh, they left everything in here. Left the little books. Boy, look at this. Give me the good BB gun. BB gun, shelving, a couple clothes. I guess this was the office. Somebody was studying for the GRE. Well, it might be some smart folks live up in here. A couple nerds. But that's all right. That's what it is. We're going to get this rock and roll, get up in and out of here. Should take me about 3 hours, I would hope, to get this knocked out. The carpet takes a little while longer, especially this carpet, because I got a feeling there's a lot going on this pad. So it's probably going to be pretty dirty. But anyway, folks, Johnny Bobby's Junk Calling. We on the JOB. We about to get in and out this thing. 757-563-4834. All that stuff probably gonna fill that 20-yard dumpster up. And we're gonna get up on out of the way in this thing and make it happen, Captain. Anyway, you know where to reach us. Here we go. And we about to get on it, and we'll show you before and after as always. What's going on, y'all? This is Johnny Bobby's Junk Calling right here live. We're doing eviction clean out from over here. Captain, a cameraman ain't on duty now. So come on, he gonna follow me around. We're doing this eviction clean out. When I tell you these folks, he gonna look around and show you what time it is. When I tell you they destroyed this place, they destroyed this place. Now if you're looking into low-income housing, these folks are here less than a year. Less than a year. They tore this place up. Hurricane Sandy around this thing. We can't have that. So we're gonna take out the bathroom. We cleaned it out. Y'all saw it before. We're gonna show you the after, like we always do. You're gonna run away, check this good kitchen out. But can you believe that it's almost 72 degrees? It's almost January 1st. Hey, Trump saying no global warming. Come on, man. But anyway, that's another story. I heard Santa Claus ain't wrong because of global warming, but that's different too. But anyway, we over here, we knocked this out, we grabbed a little stuff out the backyard, we cleaned the backyard up like we always do. There was a couple things out here. We even put the trash can by the road for the folks so they can dump it. I don't know the recycling man run. So we're gonna run upstairs, hit that closet, I'm sure. We're gonna go upstairs, We got the tacks up, like we always do. This is a mess, pain in the butt. You know, check the bathroom out when they come up here. And then we're gonna hit the rest of this thing up. We done came night and day. Me personally, I wouldn't put no carpet in my warehouses for the purposes of that you see on this floor. It's a pain in the butt. Clean this up. This was, I think this was a smoke pit. They was out here smoking in here. They was out here smoking and coking with their smoking jackets and stuff. I don't know what they was doing. But it looked pretty bad in here, but it looked good now. We're gonna take the hallway. We're gonna go down here to the nerd room. There's a little nerd that lived here. So that's his name. Cleaned it up. I kept up his GRE books. I'm gonna give it to my little neighbor because he trying to go to college. He trying to make something out of himself. He don't want to be old trash man like Johnny Bobby. So I told him go to college, son. Go to college. And that's all right. Somebody got to do this. Next thing you know, was over here. And I don't know what they wasted in here, but whatever it is in this closet, it started riding through the floor, which is not a good day. But it is what it is, I guess. We clean this up, clean the bathroom up. Remember, we are a clean out, not clean up company. You can call Miss Jill if you want your house cleaned up, and she does a great job. She does post-construction clean up. I do the out. So that's about the whole show, y'all. And we'll wrap it up over here. So that's it. We knocked this job out. We was here about 2.5 hours. Got in here, got it out. I think we filled up about, a little bit over 3/4 of a dumpsters. But it is what it is. That's what we do. I got to try to get this stuff to the dump before they close at 12 o'clock. But anyway, Johnny Bobby's junk calling 757-563-4834. If you need this kind of work, Virginia Beach, give us a holler and we'll knock it out for you. All right, we out.